Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A quick analysis on the US market. There you can see on the chart, this is the chart of Dow Jones in day candle you are seeing, and again I'll be showing you some surprising things because market is going to be bullish. It has been bullish from many past days, but I'll show you the same thing on the chart, then you can realize these things. Now, first of all, I would like to show this is the day candle, and this was the point where the market had given the confirmation that it is going up. From this point of time, from 32,000 points, the market went till 45,000 points. So this was a huge trend of 13,000 points, and then correction was not made. Huge correction was not made because there was not any confirmation for big correction. The confirmation came there for a big correction, and you can see there was a correction of 7,000 points. Market was corrected from this point from 45,000 points till 37,000 points. Again, the market has created W pattern here and going up. It has been bullish, and the moment it will close in day candle here, it will be extreme bullish, and then it will be making higher highs and going upward, and maybe up to this high once again. Then I'll put this candle in the hourly this chart in the hourly candle. Then you'll be able to see exactly from where the confirmation had come, to whether the market is going up. Now this is exactly the point where the confirmation had come. The market will go up from this point. Now this low will become as SL. From this point of time, you can see there were so many gap ups and again gap downs. Even after gap downs, market sustained, and now it is trying to go up again. It broke high and again moving upward. Now see the moment. Now if you go on the chart, if you refer previous chart, then there you can see this was the confirmation from where the market was corrected for huge points because it was a confirmation for selling of the market. Again, this was the correction for buying of the market. Again, if you see this was the correction for market is going in selling. So the moment it is giving the confirmation, the high will not be broken. Previous high will not be broken. You can clearly see from your on the chart here, when the market is giving the confirmation, it is becoming bullish or bearish for longer term. So similarly, likewise, you can see the confirmation has come in the Dow Jones, and it had come on 1st of May. It's been few days only for 3 to 4 trading sessions. The market has moved from this point to this point. Huge moment has been done. Now you can see the moment of 1,500 points have been from this point. That the market is going to be trended for many days, maybe many weeks or many months. It is going to last, or maybe it is going to again touch high of the 45,000 rupees, 45,000 points as it had made earlier. Again, I'll be showing you some other evidences as well, wherein you can see clear confirmation. Then the market, will be seen as moving upward. Now, this is the confirmation in S&P 500. Again, the market given the confirmation, and this is the confirmation that was the low. The low should not be broken. The moment low is broken, then market will become bearish market, or it will go in selling zone for many days or many weeks. But the confirmation, bullish confirmation has come from this point. Now this is the low for SL, and now continuously market is riding from this point. From you can see 54 5,400 points. Now it is standing on 5,700 points. So there is a up of 300 points from this level. You can see the previous trend in this chart also in the S&P 500. This was the point. This was the point when market gave the confirmation that it is going down, and it went down for huge correction. As you go back, you can see the same thing is happening, whether it is the market is going in uptrend or downtrend for longer term. Again, I'll be showing you some surprising stocks. First of all, Meta. These are my favorite stocks. That is why I refer them. I check them on daily basis how the market is reacting, because the entire market of the US market is basically dependent on a few very good stocks like Meta, Google, Tesla, Walmart, Apple. These are the very strong and famous stocks, like the stocks are in India as Nifty 50s. You can see this was the date on 1st May. Again, confirmation had come in Meta. Now you can see the gap up. There was a huge gap up. See, when the confirmation is coming with the gap up, then definitely market is going to be strong for many days. Now there is a gap up. This gap up will not be filled. It will be filled after so many days or so many weeks or year. This is very strong. And now I'll also show you this. This was the point when the market given the confirmation that was the low for SL. Now continuously you can see there were gap downs, even market sustained and now going up. From this point, from $536, now it is standing on $600. Again, same thing is being repeated in Tesla. You can see this was the actually final confirmation. The Tesla has been volatile, for a few days previously, just because of so bad news and other related informations. Now, this was the confirmation zone where the market gave the confirmation. Again, it created gap here, and the just because of the gap, now market is going up. This point, market is from 235 points, market is standing on 286 points. Now huge gain is in Tesla from this point. Now you can see has been made in just few trading days. Number one, two, three, four, five, six. Now you can see from this point to this point in just 6 days. Google also was in, uptrend. It gave confirmation. It went up again. Now this was the confirmation. This was the confirmation. That was the gap. But this low has been broken just because of some news in Google, and maybe chances are there that this stock can go in selling. It has also created a pattern there. Now this can be a resistance zone. If it will be able to break this zone, then maybe there are chances that it will be going up. Let's see. But once it gives the confirmation here, then it will again become bullish to go upward. When an entire market is going upward, then definitely there'll be chances of that Google will also go upward. The Walmart, now there you can see huge uh, reward has been delivered by Walmart. From this point, the very this is very smooth stock. Now from this point, now market is going up, and it is standing here from just $80. It has been $98. Then Apple was, had given confirmation. It tried going upward, but again it has, gap down, and now the lower lows has been formed, and now market is going for selling. Then again, let's see in Amazon. Amazon also, doing same thing. This gave final confirmation here. Now market is going up. Now this will become SL zone, uh, $180. Now market is going. It is standing here. If you'll see in very few days that it will be crossing $200 or $250 very soon. And here's again NVIDIA. NVIDIA also has given confirmation here. This point you can see from this point it is going up. It did not break its previous low. That is in bullish momentum, bullish trend. The you can also check the Netflix, there was the confirmation. Then this low was as SL. Now it is going from here to here. It is standing on 1148 points. From this point, there is a There is a gain of 300 points from this point. Now you can see huge gap. Huge reward is delivered by Netflix in just few days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just in 10 days, 40%, 40% reward has been delivered by Netflix. Fidelity, let's see Fidelity. Fidelity, you can also see this ETF. ETF from this point, the gap, this was the gap, and again market is going from this point from 65 points. Now it is 71.5% reward has been delivered in just few days. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just in 6 days, 5%, uh, sorry, 10% reward has been delivered by Fidelity as well. Now let's see, I'll show you a very surprising chart of BTC. When the BTC given confirmation long back from that point of time, it has not broken its low. And now you can see I'll put this candle in the in 4 hours candle. Now you can see actually this was the confirmation after the this was the downtrend, then confirmation came. Exactly this was the candle. Now you can see the buying from this point will not, hit SL because this was the very small SL for few points, the points 400 or 500 points only. From this point, 82,000 points, now it is on 1 lakh 1,000 points, just gain of 20,000 points from this point of time. Now you can see just deliver it has delivered 25%, more than 25%, 30% reward in just how many days? In just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, just 15 days. Huge reward has been delivered of 30% in BTC just in few days. I'll show you some evidences of the Indian market as well. Now, this is the candle. This is the chart of the Indian market. I'll put it in hourly candle. This was the point when the market gave confirmation. Nifty. This is the Indian. This is actually Nifty Bank. This was the confirmation. Again, low was not broken even after gap. Huge gap down. There was a huge gap down of 1,000 points and the low was not broken. Market is still standing and going upward. Now this is the halt. This is the pause zone where the market is standing. And if the market is giving a confirmation here in the day in the hourly candle, then definitely it will be going for selling for longer term. Same thing you can see in the Nifty. Huge reward has been delivered by Nifty from this point. You can see from 22,000 points and it is moved till 24,500 points. The movement of 2,000 points in just few days. But there was a trend and the correction was started. And then again, when it gave the confirmation from this point, because this was the confirmation with the gap, again there was a confirmation with the gap. When the market is giving the confirmation with the gap, it is becoming trending for many days or many weeks or many months. Now you can see also previous behavior of this market. This was the point when the market went in selling, and this was the zone for selling of the market. Then for very short term, it was for uptrend. But there you can see this was the confirmation. This was the confirmation. This was the confirmation. This was the confirmation. This high will become your SL. Now for future market, it is very good because from the point it is giving the confirmation is not breaking either high or either low. Again, you can see the same thing is this was the bullish momentum. The low was not broken. It has delivered, okay, but the reward was very small. But if you go, backward, then you can see amazing things on the chart. This was the point when the market gave confirmation. This was the low. This was the high actually, and should not be broken exactly. It was not broken from this point of time. It was huge momentum from this point. Now you can see 25,000 points till 23,000 points. Gain of 2,000 points was, just few days 10% rewards delivered by the market. Again, huge reward has been delivered from this point. This point. See in this setup, we'll have to catch the market from the moment it gives confirmation for a bullish or bearish. Maybe a chance of hitting of SL for one or one SL or something. But I have seen rarely it hits the SL, but it keeps on going once it gives the confirmation. Now, this is the analysis of the US market and including Indian indexes. Thank you so much for seeing this video, and this is my request to subscribe my channel as well as like the video. If you like it, thank you so much. Let's meet tomorrow with the analysis for tomorrow. Thank you so much.